Yeah, today I'm going to discuss about the automation testing. So case study on automation testing, how it will work and what is the testing behind. So I should I should show the how the software testing works. Please listen to the video.
Testing is mainly of two types, manual and automation testing. There are different stages for manual testing, like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. In manual testing, the tester takes over the role of an end user and tests the software to identify any unexpected behavior or bug. In automation testing, the tester writes scripts and uses another software to test the software. This testing is used to rerun the test scenarios that were performed manually, quickly, and repeatedly. There are different methods for software testing, like black box, white box, and gray box testing. In black box testing, the tester provides inputs and examines outputs without knowing the application of how and where the inputs are worked upon. White box testing is the detailed investigation of internal logic and structure of the code. Gray box testing is a technique to test the application with limited knowledge of the internal workings of an application.
Okay, let us we discuss about this software testing. This one automation testing. So nothing but it is a testing. It's a software testing techniques that automatically automates the process of validating the functionalities of softwares and ensures that it meets requirements before releasing into the production. So before releasing only, we will be tested with the automation testing. So with automation testing, an organization can run specific software testing at the faster pace without human testers. It is used for large and repetitive test cases. So here, I should face the biggest challenge. So see this, our solution. So it is we are going to automate the application, and we decide to employ our Q edges property or optical characters recognition mechanism and the sub-image matching to facilitate the automation process. So we created the OCR mechanism and the sub-image matching to facilitate with the automation process. So we tested the OCR and sub-image matches for effectiveness, concreteness, and reliability, and was found to cater for autonomous test for selecting cells and applications. So we are going to implement these with the help of the initial effort in plugging in use operating systems and over the previous version of skill testing. So we having a number of benefits of framework. This is an Excel interface for the test case management and executions. So it is nothing but it is easy to use and initiate the event for the resource without the knowledge of the automation test tools. So next one is selected test executions, then multiple executions, and reporting Excel and SQL database, and web-based reporting, then auto build pickup via Microsoft Outlook, automation supported across 3 operating systems. So these are the 6 phases of automations. Okay, so next one is we are going to how does it work? So it works under the 5 categories. One is select the text tool, selecting the testing tool, and define the scope of the automations. And the third point is plan, design, and executions, that is developed. Fourth step is evaluate the test. And the fifth step is maintenance. So these tests are normally automated, include the following: acceptance test, API test, integration test, regression test, smoke test, system test, and unit test, and user interface test. So these tests can be automatically include this type of this one. So some of the benefits is better reporting capabilities, more frequent tests, enhanced resource efficiency, faster than manual testing, and as a faster feedback cycle, higher accuracy, improved bug detection, improved return on investment over the manual testing, increased coverage and reusable test scripts and scalability. Okay, so these are the testing which contains the automation testing. So there is some difference between the automated testing and unit testing. The unit testing is a software testing method that can be combined with automated testing. When unit testing is performed manually, it can be extremely time consuming and can increase the risk of human errors. So furthermore, the manual testing removes the collaborative and extensive approach to software development that has been popularized the DevOps cultures. Okay, so these are the conclusions. Therefore, the automation just covered the areas that would be have difficult to test manually, considering the different combinations that are possible, and thereby ensuring at least 50% lesser test cycle per release of the applications. So that's all about the automation testing.